We were having the orientation regarding the supply side assessment right now, and we're in the implementation and procedure already. Yan po ay may mga private. Below 1-year ratio is, it has to be 1:1. Availability of vaccines for children 0 to 5 years old, and availability of services for pregnant women. Yan po yung indicators ng ating supply side availability na ating pong malalaman sa ating pong pagkakandak ng supply side assessment. How about for education? Attention please.
Palampasin mo. Ayun. Video mo po nga.
Standby.
Okay?